there, it's Mary from stampingmary.stampingup.net. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today's project features the Forever Friendship stamp set. It's on page 66 of the mini catalogue. So this is the Stampin' Up mini catalogue. It runs through to the end of December 2022. Now don't be fooled, just because there are Christmas stamps on the front, this stamp set definitely has this catalogue has stamps and dies and paper and embellishment for all occasions, and I just love this little stamp set. It's just so cute with all these different images to use. So this is the first in a series of 3 videos I'm going to make using this stamp set. In the first one I'm casing that card right there, well, very close to it anyway, so it's not a difficult card to make at all. I've used what do I use for my background there? I have used my soft succulent, mint macaron, and my pale papaya as the card base and the stamping as well. So really easy card to put together. Let me show you how I have done it. So let's start with the stamping. So I've just got my card base here, which is, as I said, pale papaya, and I've cut 2 pieces, one for the inside, one for the outside, using that flag stamp and the happy birthday. So let's go ahead and get that stamped. Let's use Memento Black and stamp our images. This is just random stamping, so wherever you feel like you want to put the stamp. And I've like I said, I've cased it from the catalogue. I think the colour way they've used is slightly different than my one, but that's okay. You use whatever you've got in your stash. So that's the outside stamping for that piece done. While we've got this flag stamp out, let's clean that off and change it to, just using my Simply Chamois there, change it to this pale papaya for the inside stamping. That's the inside stamping right there, and keep that open. Right, so just really simple. Nothing at all complicated about that. I've got a little bit crooked, but that is actually okay. I can live with that. Now I'm just going to change out that stamp and pop the happy birthday one in, and back to our front piece. I'm just going to stamp randomly with the happy birthday. The great thing about this is that if you sometimes struggle with, you know, getting your sentiments straight, then this is a very forgiving card. Let's do one more there. And then for our inside, we'll change up that colour again. Swap back to Memento and just stamp our happy birthday in there. I could have actually gone with soft succulent, which is actually what I meant to do, but that's okay. That actually is soft succulent there, but you get the idea, right? I mean, you can use pretty much whatever colour you like. It's up to you. Pop them up to the side, and I'm just going to bring in my Stampin' Blends. Now I don't actually have the soft succulent Stampin' blends. Sorry, yeah, I've only got the this is the soft I'll say that again. This is actually soft sea foam, not mint macaron, as I had said before. And I'm just going to put, I'm not really even going to blend the two colours together. I'm just going to put a dark maybe another one there. And I'm going to swap over and use my light. Now obviously if you have the soft succulent blend, then go for it. It will look really pretty, but I think this works just as well. I'm just changing it over to the light now. If you want to blend, you know, your light and your dark as the blends are designed for, then that's good too. Super, super easy little card. I mean, you don't even have to colour them if you don't want to, if you're pressed for time. So that was my original with the bow, which I'm going to put on using our with the linen thread. So let's put a couple of those around. Really great for a very quick card, and because that's got on, I'm just going to run that through my nail just to straighten it out a little bit. See how good I can get this. See if I can get this bow first pop. Awesome. I can live with that. I can definitely live with that. Dimensionals. Card comes together really quickly. And like I said, it's the pale papaya card base. And soft succulent and the blend of soft sea foam. It's almost soft's happening right here. Yeah, so I just, like on my original one, I stamped that in the soft succulent. So that was my little mistake there, but it doesn't really look too bad. So it's my original card, the stamping, and then my card we just made now. So I have put a link to all the products I've used in the description bar below. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me. That's stampingmary, MERRY @gmail.com. Thanks so much and have a really good day. Bye.